So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a Canadian ETF to your watch list here on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is go to the bottom left, press on Watchlist right here. You can go to where it says add a symbol if you want right here to add a symbol. Now where it says Canadian heat rankings, for instance, you can go ahead and actually just search this up. If you find an ETF that you're looking for, you can select that. Or another way, you can go to the top here. So if you wanted to search up ticker symbol VFV, for instance, Vanguard, S&P, and also too where you can tell it's Canadian, it'll say CA right beside the logo right here. You can go ahead and add this one right here. Go to the top, press on that, then press on done. Another way you can do it as well would be to go to the bottom left, press on markets, make sure that ETFs is selected. And at the top it says US or CA, press on CA right here. If you want to have one that follows the NASDAQ 100, press on that QQQ at the top. Go to the top right. You can add this just like that. I'll exit out of here to show you guys. Go to the bottom left, and they have now been added to the watch list. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to add a Canadian ETF to your watch list on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.